Hello everyone, Chris here with MetroRestyling. I'm here with Phil from 3M.
Okay.
Phil, what are we doing today?
So we're going to take our 3M wrap film 1080 gloss silver chrome and install it on the door. And we're going to leave the protective liner on there.
Oh, okay.
So then we won't get any scratches. So let's do that. So let's remove this release liner. Okay. So now we're going to install it underneath the mirror, but as you can see how it slides, very nice.
Oh, nice.
Right? So you can even, yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Okay, so let's tighten it up a little bit in the middle here, so right here, and lock it down flat that way. Yeah, and pull your way and lock it down. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to take the squeegee and squeegee right in the middle of the door. Okay, nice and flat. And now I'm going to work over downwards with overlapping strokes. Okay, I'm going to actually hand you the squeegee, and you're going to continue on.
Yeah, I get.
You got your own?
Yeah, try this one out here. This one's good with chrome.
Okay, so why don't you flip it to the hard side? Just remember, it has a protective liner on it.
That's right.
And then we work our way up. And you can see how easy it is to install the 3M chrome with the protective liner on. Okay, and just
It goes on pretty well. That's a
yeah,
thick liner.
it's a thick liner, so you're installed very easily.
It's awesome.
There you go.
So Phil, I know we've taken the liner off without it installed. How does it come off installed? Pretty easy?
Pretty easy. You know, before I even put the wrap on, I actually pre-do it beforehand, right? So
Okay.
now it's nice and easy, right?
Yeah.
So here we go. We'll do this right now, and you can see how clean that looks without any scratches now.
Wow, Phil, this chrome definitely looks good.
Yeah, it is a mirror-like finish.